This is a tutorial on how to use the mobile and iPad apps for Google Classroom. Okay, so we will show you how to use a smartphone app. In particular, this is the iPhone 7s, but you can do this with any particular smartphone if you have the app. And of course, we're going to scroll over and we're going to find the Classroom app. We are going to open that up. It's going to ask us to access whatever account that we're working from. So we can see here that I've got my two demo classes, so I'm going to click on the class that I want to work with. If I want, I can look at my stream. I can look at my students. I can add students through this through the app by clicking plus and then throwing in the email. I can click about, and if I want, I can edit certain things. I can click on the About tab. I can have a look at the different links that I have. Unfortunately, I can't really edit Google Classroom, but I can edit the documents that I have linked in here should I choose to do so. Let's go back to the stream. If I want to post, very much like posting from your desktop or your laptop, you would just type your ideas. You can choose the number of classes that you want to include, or if you want to just have a few students, you can choose the topic that you want to be a part of your text. And of course, if you hit the link button, you can choose drive, link, pick your photos. You can use your camera to actually take videos. I like to use my phone in classes when students are working or collaborating. That way I can pass it on to parents. So now that I've typed a few words, I've got my message, then I can click my paper airplane, and the message has been posted to two classes that you can see down at the bottom there. Essentially, that's how you can use a mobile. If you want to look at another class, maybe you want to look at the calendar, maybe you want to look at the different settings, maybe you want to look at classroom folders, you can tap whatever you want. Looking at the different folders, now we're in Google Drive. I just go up to the top left. If I want to go back, click Classroom. Basically, it works just like your desktop or your laptop, but it's on a smaller device. Okay, so now we're looking at Google Classroom on an iPad mini. This is a slightly older version of the iPad mini. We're going to click on the icon, and that's going to bring us into the app. And of course, we'll click on Get Started. I'm going to choose the account that I want to use, so I just kind of clicked on that. Click OK. And of course, with an iPad mini, it's just mobile. So if you're at a train station or on a bus or walking around, and you realize, oh my goodness, I didn't post homework, I can use my iPad to get this stuff done. Of course, see the three bars in the top left, and you can choose different folders to go to or different classes. You can look at the calendar if you want. Up at the top, you click the plus button. You can actually create a new class or join a class from an iPad. So if your students in your school are working from an iPad, that is perfectly okay. So, going to look at our demo class. We're going to open that up. And it looks very much like it would look on your desktop. You can see if I want to post, an assignment or an announcement, I can do that. Let's just say, hello. Let's choose the topic. Say we're going with topic 2. I'm going to save that top right here. And if I want to add an attachment, I would click on the link and then choose, is it a Drive folder or Drive document, a link, a photo, or maybe do something with the camera. Not going to do that now, so I'm just going to click on the little paper airplane in the top right. So that has been posted to the stream. Let's say I've made a mistake, just like on the desktop or laptop. I can go in, click Edit, change things up, save it, or if I don't like it, I can even delete, and it gives me the nice reminder, are you sure you want to delete it? And we go back to where we started from. So very much like the desktop or laptop version of Google Classroom, but it's on an iPad.